it's Karate Mask. This time, I'll be talking about triangle step work training. This practice will help you understand the important points that will help you cope better when you're attacked by opponent. A common behavior seen in beginner is that when attacked by opponent, the upper body floats to a defenseless state. In the state, the player is unable to deal with the opponent's attack and is in state of sandbagging. To prevent this, I have prepared this footwork training. There is a footwork training video if you would like to see them, and I show you how to apply this practice at the end of video. So watch to the end. Before starting lesson, this channel is a video to support those who want to start karate, and a plot video to show karate tips and training methods for beginners. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it, because this video has advantage that you will be able to practice and improve efficiently. Then let's get it started. Step 1. Back leg pointing diagonally to the right. Keep moving backward. Next, turn your front foot to the left. Move to the left side. Right foot pointing diagonally to the right. Move forward as it is. In the middle kumite, zero movement of upper body backward with a straight back. But we will not use that movement in this video. Next, play back in reverse. Move backward. Move to the right. Finally, diagonally to the left. This is a sequence of actions. Step 2. Do 2 movements at a time. After moving to the first triangles, pause for a moment and then reverse. Take your time. Step 3. Finally, you should be able to move smoothly without pausing this movement. Be careful not to have an unstable upper body at this time, as it hinders the movement. Error. Upper body is shaky. lower body is not relaxed. Application. However, karate beginners are often too conscious of their upper body and not moving their lower body enough. This creates a large gap that makes them vulnerable to attack. It can be painful movement, but try to practice it once a week. It's natural for anyone not to do well at the beginning. The key is the ability to continue. If you can do this, you will quickly approach the level of black belt. If you think this video good, please leave a comment. It will encourage me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.